Good day students. In this video I will show some solution to selected questions from chapter 2 Quadratic Equations, subtopic 2.3 Sum and Product of Roots of Quadratic Equations. First question. Given m and 3 minus m are the roots of the equation 5x squared plus in bracket 4m minus 3x plus 15n equals to 0, where m and n are constants, find the values of m and n. Okay, so we are given the roots, two roots, m and 3 minus m, and we are given the equation, the quadratic equation. And the question asks us to find the values of m and n. So what I'll do, I'll write the quadratic equation first. Maybe I'll just copy and paste. So 5x squared plus 4m minus 3x plus 15n okay, and I want to know what is the sum of the roots and the product of the roots. So I'll divide this with 5. So I'll say maybe divide 5, I'll just write times 1 over 5. Oops. This is times, okay, times 1 over 5, and what you'll get x square plus in bracket 4m minus 3 close bracket over 5 bracket x plus 15 divided by times 1 over 5 or divided by 5, you get 3, okay, 3n equals to 0. Now we know that our sum of roots and product of roots, what's the value of sum of roots from the equation and also product of roots. So let us do that and try to get the values of m and n. So I can say sum of roots equals to okay, before that, sum of roots, okay, just before that, let me make sure whether it's in the format of sum of roots or in product of roots. Okay, so I'll just write down the formula. The formula says x square minus sum of roots x plus product of roots equals to 0. Now our equation is as above. So to make this as a sum of roots, this part, I need to have a negative in the front, but now I have a positive. So how to change it to negative? So in the next step I'll change it to a negative. So I'll get x square minus, I'll put a negative, and therefore inside the bracket I need to put another negative 4m minus 3 over 5 close bracket x plus 3n equals to 0. Okay, now it follows this order. Okay, now it follows this order. Okay, so sum of roots is negative bracket 4m minus 3 over 5. Okay, this is sum of roots, the one inside the bracket here. Okay, so what are our roots? M and 3 minus m. So sum of root is m plus 3 minus m equals to, okay, I'll just bring negative in, so I'll get negative, or I'll just change it in bracket 3 minus 4m over 5. Okay, now m on my left, m plus minus m, it becomes minus m minus m is 0, then plus 3, so we have only 3 here. So 3 equals to bracket 3 minus 4m over 5. I'll bring 5 to my left, so I'll get 3 times 5, 15, equals to 3 minus 4m. Okay, I'll bring the 4m to my left and 15 to my right, so I get 4m equals to 3 minus 15, which is equals to negative 12. So m equals to negative 12 over 4, and that will be negative 3. Okay, that's the answer. Okay, moving on. For n, you need to find n. So we do the product of roots. So product of roots, what's the value for product of roots? See, this is product of roots. So good by this question, it's 3n. Okay, so product of roots is equals to 3n. So what is our roots? Roots are m and 3 minus m, so we multiply these two, m multiply 3 minus m equals to 3n. And we know from the sum of roots that m is equals to negative 3, so we can replace that. M equals to negative 3. So I'll get negative 3 and 3 minus negative 3 equals to 3n. Okay, so negative 3 minus negative 3 becomes 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 is 6, equals to 3n. So I can just write 3n equals to negative 18, n equals to negative 18 over 3, and that will result into negative 6. Okay, that is the answer for n. Okay, now I move to question B. Question B says, hence find the quadratic equation with the roots 2m plus 3 and m plus 5. Okay, so that's our new root. So you can just write the new roots. 2m plus 3 and m plus 5. That are our new roots. So we know where the value of m is equals to negative 3. We can replace that. So m equals to negative 3. Replace that. You get new roots are new roots. is 2 m is negative 3 plus 3 and m plus 5m is negative 3 plus 5, which equals to 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. Negative 6 plus 3 is negative 3. 3 and negative 3 plus 5 is 2. Negative 3 and 2. So those are our roots. The new roots are negative 3 and 2. So the question asks us to form a quadratic equation with the roots. So I can first find sum of roots, sum of new roots. That will be negative 3 plus 2 equals to negative 1. I can find the product of roots, new roots. Negative 3 multiply 2. Negative 6. Now with that values I can replace the values in this formula. X square minus sum of roots, x plus product of roots equals to 0. So x square minus sum of roots here is negative 1, x plus product of roots is negative 6. 0, sorry. So rearrange x square and minus becomes plus, plus 1 x is x, plus and minus becomes minus 6 equals to 0. So this is our quadratic equation. Okay, I'll stop here. See you again in the next video.